What is method overriding in Java? Now I'm going to explain you in theoretical parts. If we have method with same signature means same name, same signature, same return time in superclass and subclass, then we say subclass method is overridden by superclass method. Okay. Now when to use overriding in Java? When we have to use the overriding in Java, I am going to explain you. If we want same method with different behavior in superclass and subclass, then we have to go for overriding. If suppose if I have already declared some functionality in superclass, but same method I want to do some other task in the subclass, then we can override the same method, but we will give the some different task to do. So that time we can say this method is, we have to go with the overriding concept. Okay. Now there is another line like when we call the overriding method with subclass reference method is called hiding the superclass method. Let me explain you with the practically example. Okay. So here you can see that I have defined one class is like superclass. Inside there is a method like show. So inside that particular show method is showing like superclass method. There is a subclass that is extending the superclass, and again here I am overriding the superclass, and here is method this is showing the subclass method. There is another main class that is name is test. Inside the main method first I am creating the superclass object, then I am calling the obj1 dot show. Okay, then it will call the superclass method. Okay, when I am creating the object of subclass and calling the show method, that time it will call the subclass method. Okay, but when I am creating the object of subclass but taking the reference of superclass, that time it will call also the subclass method. So this is like hiding the superclass method. Let me run this particular program, then you will get more clarity. Okay, simply run a Java program. Here you can see this particular line is show the superclass, this particular line is show the subclass, and this one is also show the subclass method. But here is we are using reference variable of superclass, but still it is calling the subclass because here is the object of subclass. It is deciding at the runtime, not the compile time. That's why we are saying that this is hiding the superclass method. I hope you get the clarity of last point.